While for the most part, I stopped comments, just for the fact that I got quote unquote famous enough to the point to where I started getting, more haters than previously. But still, it's like a 14-to-1 ratio, meaning I've got 14 raving fans compared to 1 hater. It's fine. It's part of being in the spotlight. That's the best I can say. I'm not a celebrity. I'm not, a pro. None of that shit. I'm a chump with the camera who's in the spotlight. That's it. So I understand that as part of the game, but at the same time, I'm not gonna let people get silly with me either, at least not over the internet. Like I've said before, half you people know who I am. The other half, it's not hard to figure out if you think, and I'm real easy to find. Let's put it that way. So with that said, I'm gonna play a little game to begin this video, and that is to listen and see if you can determine what the issue is here. And you is specifically my guy, Randall J. Hughes. He's our newest celebrity on this channel. And he has such interest in my channel that he, what'd he do? He reported me to YouTube saying that I was copywriting his information and stuff. That, he's going to threaten to sue me and things like that. So my response is, kiss my ass. That's the response. I'm sorry, it's crass, whatever, but that's how I am in these situations. Kiss my ass. So what I'm going to do is ask this pro, to be one of the people who can troubleshoot, because that's what I'm saying. Let's just keep it RC. Troubleshoot this for me. You're the pro. Tell me what you think is wrong here. Everybody else, you're free to chime in. Tell me what you think is wrong. And what I'll do is on my next video, I'll show you what it is. And for the pro out there, even though I'm a newbie chump, I got lucky because I pinpointed it immediately. You'll see in the next video where I solve it and how it was the first thing that I looked at. Everybody else, enjoy the video. What? Is it about having the best? Winston's the best dog in the world. Winston. Is it about having the best?
Hell yeah.
The best you can possibly make it. If I want it to be the fastest,
it'll be the fastest.
If I want it to be the toughest, you better know it. If I want it to jump the highest, that's what's going to happen. In the end, I made what I wanted. I got what I wanted, and that's a badass savage. And that's a badass savage.
The badass savage.
And that's a badass savage. And that's a badass savage.
Badass savage. Badass badass savage.
See what's good with it with this Kloeckner Rossi 28.5. I'm gonna pop this bad boy on, and it's rocking. You can see here an Alpha 2081 pipe. That's just a fancy way of saying I have 4 modes that I put the truck in depending on what I'm going to do with it. Apart, checking all the areas for worn parts, cleaning or changing all the bearings, checking the clutch. Spring balancing is to ensure that both ends have the same frequency. Truck handles exactly like I want it to, and it doesn't break. All that good stuff. Here, the natural tendency for the bottom to bounce last. What I'm going to do is get my Savage here and set it up for on-road. Most importantly is that I want to make sure that I can switch modes within 30 minutes. And that's because jumping is the Achilles heel of this vehicle. Now, of course, an off-road track includes jumps. What I'm going to do is get my Savage here and set it up for on-road.
You niggas know my pyroclastic flow. You niggas know my pyroclastic flow, flow, flow. You niggas know my pyroclastic flow. It's R-A-W, R-A-W.
Durability, and then maintaining that durability is, in my opinion, the most important thing you can do. Jumping is the Achilles heel of this vehicle. I'm not going to slow it down, I'm actually going to speed it up. Gon' put it down, little deep down, gon' put it down, Austin, gon' put it down. There's something about driving this, I don't know if it's the roll center or what it is, but when you're driving a Savage, the key to being able to set it up, of course, is to keep it durable. If it's not running, you can't analyze it, you can't tell how it's responding to whatever setup changes you make to it. So again, that driving a Savage is a good way to take out some aggression. People ask me a lot, how do you get your vehicles to perform like that? And I tell them, it's how you set it up. Whenever the soldiers drop, see, we've been putting it down for years, we couldn't go unheard, representing far away from every ghetto to suburb. Well, in this video, I'm going to jump it until it breaks. No words, see, we bump live rounds, third time around. Damn, it's overdue, this should have known by now. So from NYLA, ATL to Chi-Town, we gon' show the world that we rollin' my town. The Fort Worth, we roll. From the north to the south, we roll. From the east to the west, we roll. And then the natives want beef with us, we roll. Home to the Fort Worth, we roll. What I wanted was what I got. What I ended up turning this into. And that is what this hobby's about. Because now, I got what I wanted, and that's a badass Savage. In other words, what I'm going to show you is how a link setup that's properly working will always win out. In other words, don't upgrade just to upgrade. But this right here is not going to do anything for your slop whatsoever. Engine, again, really easy to tune. It holds its tune well, no problem whatsoever. So, you know, come on, Ricky Bobby Lee, teach him a lesson. That's right, teach him a lesson. And he'd, boy, I'm going to teach you a lesson about monster trucks. I swear to God, guys, this is damn true. And I was like, hell yeah, I'm about that life. You guys know that. I was looking for shit. I mean, you kidding, man? Boy, I was so ready to get my lesson. I wanted my lesson. He never did teach me a lesson.
Can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved, can't be rocked, can't be shook. We hot. When will you niggas learn?
When it comes to monster trucks, you already know it's no joke.
I'm something like K-Fed, cause the only time that I fuck with a bitch is if the broad is trying to break bread, and a gold digger can stay fed off some crackers and snake head. I thought you knew I'm about my dollars and cents, just like my tape said. These haters can taste lead, let them hate till their face red. Hip-hop was missing in New York, they found it in Fort Worth, so it ain't dead. I murder beats, Renaissance, spit them bars they kill. Rhyme so cold and I got a flow that even a retort can feel. We here to save the game, call us the paramedics. All the gimmicks that ruin the game, better get to running like athletics. Niggas don't match my ground, so they never compete. Some niggas just can't accept it. Renaissance and Motor Soldiers and LBR demand respect, bitch. I run my city, nigga, fuck your features. We the store and line up, you niggas warming the bleachers. I know they jealous cause they want my spot, but it's hard to hear the fucking bitch, I'm from way up on top.
On the block when we talk them things. On the block when we talk them things. My tiny gangs is gon' ride for me. My tiny gangs is gon' ride for me. These fuck niggas don't want no bitch. You fuck niggas don't want no bitch. Cause in the streets we play for kids. Cause in the streets we play for kids. 283, I love my team. 283, I love my team. Niggas trippin', these brains on the scene. These niggas trippin', they brains on the scene. Bitches love us, they fuckin' team. These bitches love us, they fuckin' team. Know a couple bitches wanna ride on me. Know a couple bitches wanna ride on me. Mac 90s have niggas see. Mac 90s have niggas see. In the field, better speak your piece. In the field, better speak your piece. Fuck around and get put to sleep. You fuck around and get put to sleep. ATF, we in It's ATF, we in Fuck niggas know where we be. Fuck niggas know where we be. Mac 90s and 223.
I say that it is